Just like the words exist and real are both common and complex, we find the same issues with the word life. Did you know that in ancient times there were different words for life? Each different word was used to capture the different ideas about the form that human life can take. One word focused on the physical body. Everything about being human that can be examined by a doctor. This involves the physical existence, such as pain, pleasure, mobility, and health. Blood is seen as the sustainer of life, requiring oxygen and water and other nutrients. There are some things, though, that make you, you, that the doctor cannot examine. This is the second word for life, which represents the soul. This would be the psychological aspects that makes you who you are, such as mind, emotions, and will. The soul's health and well-being can be impacted by what the body experiences, but the condition of the soul cannot be determined or explained through physical examination. And then the third form of life is the spirit. The spirit life of a person connects its soul to the invisible reality, which exists beyond or external to the person. Many worldviews include the idea that people coexist with something outside themselves, something with supernatural power or authority in creating the world and determining ultimate destiny. Throughout the history of the world, spirit life was accounted for in some form of gods, which were ever present in all spheres of social and political activity. Often, spirit life involved people needing justification by some supernatural power, living in fear of judgment with little sense of hope. Down through the years, people have made sense of their life in the context of a story or a narrative that explains where we come from, where we are going, what success looks like, and who's in charge. Do you remember as a child hearing your parents or grandparents or guardians tell stories of your family or events that were happening when they were children? These stories were always interesting to me because they seemed to connect my life back through history, giving me some sense of origin. Let's see what you think about your life story. In many ways, your story serves as a picture frame for your worldview of life.